Good morning, everyone. This is Christine at Fibre Carpet Care in Victoria, BC. And we are here at a lovely home in Esquimalt, BC, just starting to clean a lovely leather sectional set with 3 detachable cushions. And so lovely leather furniture. We're at the homeowner's lovely condo in Esquimalt, BC. So we'll make a quick video right now. You can see Harry starting here. These are the detachable cushions. And then once he's completed this, he will be doing the remainder of the sectional. It's coming up quite nicely. You can see the difference between the two already.
See all the dirt coming off?
Yeah. You can see the pad was white and now it's not. That tells you how much dirt is coming off the furniture and off the cushions.
I mean, you can see the difference here.
Yeah. You can definitely see the difference.
Yeah, I can see it better.
Yeah.
White and dark.
Definitely. And we'll do a couple more videos as well. We'll do another one, the process of cleaning the furniture itself, and then we'll show you the completed job when it's done. And if you'd like your leather cleaned this well, give us a call at 778-433-9348. See you soon.